So you wanted to learn how to gratitude journal. Well, you have came to the right place. With my experience of 350 days, I can teach you the ways how you can master the way of gratitude journaling and how you can keep it a habit. As you can see, I'm opening my journal and I gratitude journal just like that. As simple as that. Let's head back home and let's show you how you mastered gratitude journaling. To start the gratitude journal, you have to have first a journal or anything you want to write on. Then you need to have a pen so you can write on something. Then, after you have acquired a pen and a journal, you start to open your journal and start to think about the things you're truly grateful for. So, for example, I'm grateful for my bed. I know it's very cliche maybe, but I'm actually grateful for my bed because it is a place where I can rest and rejuvenate my energy. And by doing this, I can get my workouts in for the next day, I can do my normal routine for the next day, and just get better as a person. As you're thinking about what things you're grateful for, you can be thinking about your family, you can be thinking about the things you do use every single day. You can be thinking about the experiences you had, and you start to write it down. You can write down the date on the piece of paper, like if you have it, you can write it down, and then you write it like you can see one of my examples right here. I wrote about the apple, and I wrote topic as well. So I write topic and put like a column as well, put two dots column, write the topic, and then below that start to write a paragraph about like what you like grateful for. So I start my paragraph personally as I am grateful for this because it led me to this, which made me do this. So, as I give you the bed example, I am grateful for my bed because it allows me to rest. This will give me energy for the next day so I can do my workouts. Now, as I do my workouts, I know I'll become a better person. I get more muscular, I get more stronger. So the bed is actually good for me. And when you write this down, it's pretty simple. You write one thing per day. That's how I did it. And that's pretty good because if you write multiple things every single day, then it's like hard to keep up, like to do it as a habit every single day. So I do one topic per day and one paragraph. So I do this every single day for the past 350 days. And it's been easy. It's not that hard to do this habit. It's like an easy add-on habit. And the benefits to this gratitude journaling habit is that it can make you more happy. It make you more alive and more present in the moment because you'll be starting to think that I am grateful for the things I have in my life. It'll spark up your relationship and your conversations with other people because it'll have a positive impact on you. And when you have a positive impact on yourself, people can start to see you and start to see you being more positive and being more friendly and being more active. So while doing gratitude journaling, just keep in mind that this should be a long-term habit rather than doing this one time per month. You should do it every single day, keep it a habit, and then you start to see the results progressively overloading, and you start to see the results in like some weeks. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do this. It's not that hard, and I hope you like this video. I know I keep the video short and clean. So guys, I hope I see you next time. You can click this next video and see you guys. Bye bye.